Here at Eagle Redi-Mix, we take great pride in having a family-oriented type business. Contact really mirrors what our philosophy here at Eagle is.
People buy from people. That's why we buy from Contact. It's the people that make the company.
Contact delivers a high-quality, excellent mixer that sets the bar for the industry. It's turnkey. I can slap my decals on them and put them on the road.
The mechanics have to have the trucks on the road 100% of the time. The reliability of these mixers are unbelievable. That makes their job a lot easier.
Quick change, like plug and play. That's a big deal for us. Mechanic friendliness, repair, parts availability. I can't afford downtime. Being able to get parts in a timely fashion is very key to what we do.
Everything I order from Contact, I order through the website. You save time, you save money, you get great service. I've never had any complaints. Everything fits up like OEM. Contact stands behind what they sell.
My guy gets out. He knows he's going to hit a button, pull a lever, everything's going to work. It is what it says it is. It's a high-quality mixer at a great affordable price. And I feel like I don't have any choice but to use Contact.
When an Eagle Redi-Mix truck shows up, they're going to get great concrete out of a great truck. When I think of concrete mixer, it's Contact. That's it.